How to disassemble the new Simplehuman dispensers. So step one, take a small flathead screwdriver and you work out these little silicone plugs. Those pop right out. You got two of them, two Phillips screws behind there. Next thing you do is take a nice pair of pliers and you gently start turning this counterclockwise, righty tighty, lefty loosey, standard thread. I recommend putting a little dot with a permanent marker on the lip right there so that you can tell that you're actually turning it. Nice and gentle, take your time. Once you're done, it comes out. Save that. Then the base stays in place and the whole thing just comes out. And just be mindful of the little switch. It's not really attached. And that operates with a little magnet that works right on top of this. And that's it. And you can do what you need to do.